drowning in invoices, contracts, and client communication. Let's dive into Studio Ninja, built for photographers, offering project management, invoicing, automated workflows, and client portals. Start by creating a new project. Click on Projects, then New Project, fill in client name, shoot date, and package. Now, let's jump to HoneyBook. HoneyBook offers similar features like project tracking, invoicing, and scheduling. Click New and select Project to create a new project and fill out your project details. Creating invoices is crucial. Studio Ninja allows custom templates and automated reminders. Look for the Invoices tab to create a new invoice. HoneyBook provides professional invoices with integrated payments. Click the Invoice button to build your invoice. Pay attention to customization. Where Studio Ninja shines is automation. Set up workflows to automatically send emails, schedule tasks, and trigger actions based on milestones. Go to Settings, click Workflows, then Customize Actions. HoneyBook has very similar automation to keep you from getting bogged down with tedious repetitive tasks. Go to Tools, click Automation, then customize your project flow. The bottom line, if you are strictly in photography, Studio Ninja's tailored features and pricing might be more appealing. For a broader creative range, HoneyBook's flexibility might be worth the investment.